Let's make fried potato wedges. A simple and delicious snack in itself that's also great as a side dish for meat or fish. Just cut up as many potatoes as you want to stuff in your face. Preboil them for around 10 minutes, then bake them in the oven with a little bit of frying oil at around 220 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes until they start to become golden and crunchy. Season it with salt and barbecue rub or your favorite all-around spice. You can also sprinkle on tarragon to make it look more fancy, then top it off with whatever you want, like ketchup, burger dressing, or béarnaise sauce.
Fuck me! That's good!